Is YouTube too slow on Android? Boost speed and stop buffering instantly. Hi lovely guys. In this video, I'm going to show you many easy ways to make YouTube work better and faster on your Android phone. This video is going to be super informative, so make sure to watch it till the end. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. Let's start with the first very easy but most important step. Make sure your Wi-Fi is properly connected and working well. It might sound like a small thing, but it's actually really important. For the next step, go to Main Settings and scroll to Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, then don't worry. I'll show you how to enable it in the next step. Inside Developer Options, scroll down to find Tethering Hardware Acceleration. If this enabled, turn it off immediately. This can help reduce lag and save battery when using your phone as a hotspot. To enable developer options, go to Settings, search for Build Number, and press it 7 times. This will unlock developer options. For the next step, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and press on Apps. Now find the YouTube app and open it. Scroll down and press on Storage. Here you'll see at the bottom Clear Cache. Quickly press on Clear Cache because this will free up space and help YouTube run more smoothly. For next step, open Google Chrome. Press the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Then press Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Browsing History and Cached Images and Files. Then press Clear Data. This can remove old or corrupted files that might be slowing things down and help YouTube load content faster. So for next step, go to the Play Store and search for YouTube. If there's an update button, press it right away because updating the app can fix bugs, improve speed, and add new features for better performance. For next step, go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Battery and Device Care. Press on Battery. If power saving mode is on, turn it off because power saving limits performance. So disabling it can help YouTube work more smoothly. For next method, go to Settings. Use the search bar to type memory, then press on it. Press Clean Now. This will close background apps and clear RAM, freeing up system resources and making YouTube run faster. For next method, open the YouTube app. Start any video. Then press the settings icon in the top right. Go to Quality. And if it's set to 1080p, change it to 720p because lower quality uses less data and loads faster, reducing buffering. So how did you like today's informative video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.